My God! Yes, finally. Oops, what's this? We arrive. Very homely. Mawusi Bush Lodge. Yeah, this is Mawusi Bush Lodge. This is too big for us. It's a very nice place, very cozy, very private, and we're not going to eat that much, so we're going to keep the kitchen clean. We have noodle soup, which you can put boiled water. That's the one of the big fives. This is our Duran. Lovely, lovely bedroom. Oh, they're so sweet. And look at that. We have these chocolates. Free. Alvin will like this. Plus free slippers. Oh, and then Aero. I prefer this one, the Aero. Very nice. I'll show you around. I'm not really keen on the bed with my foot part facing the big mirror. I'm so superstitious about it. I always have a bad dream.
I think it's exclusive. Anyway.
You can see from outside.
You can.
Their window. It's tinted. I'm still afraid. I don't want to invite peeping Tom in here. Let's see. I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, this is closed. In the fridge. We have a welcome drink. Look at that. Named after this lodge, Mawusi.
Yeah.
Is it Mawusi?
Yeah.
Yes, Mawusi Bush Lodge.
What was her name?
She didn't say it.
No, she did say Liz. I think Liz.
I think so. Sorry, it didn't register in my mind. And the milk for our coffee. We're going to stay here overnight. We're not going out for dinner. Very nice portrait in here. Okay, so we're just going to unpack, refresh.
Our lovely dinner.
Chicken, seafood. There's no spicy seafood, ga. Spicy seafood.
Let's see.
Adventure.
Specially prepared with a secret ingredient. Look at that. Oh my God. Super.
Food is life.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is also by our special chef. Secret. Look at that. All the ingredients. Superb. You can never find this kind of ingredients in a restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Sorry,
is homemade.
I put it in the bowl. I'm just trying to avoid washing the dishes. Bon appetit. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. What a lovely morning. The sun is up and the wind is cool. Can we stay here a little bit longer? So expect nga may leopard, baboon. Karina, na-capture ko ng isa ka baboon. See? Kung gusto nyo leopard, are you cheering? Leopard, queen of the leopards. Kaya ano, mga butterflies everywhere. Oh, I know. Good morning. You right? Good. We really had a good sleep.
Oh, that's wow.
Yes. And then this is the pool area. I can swim today. I think Dina can survive. You know what I mean, Deans? Where are you, Mr. Fab? Coffee? Sugar, brown sugar. Recommended. Guest Review Awards 2017, 9.7 out of 10. Booking.com. Very clean ang place. Very quiet. Where's the sweetener?
Yeah, I know.
Table number 8, please. Come on, number 8.
Kuha ko itong recycled bread.
Recycled bread? I don't recycled bread. Okay, fine. Brioche forever.
Brioche.
Oops, my aunt. Paano sa ito niya aunt niya ito? Ay, napatay ko siya. Sorry. Okay, cow?
Carabao.
Carabao? Carabao?
Water buffalo eh.
Oh, see. Water buffalo. What do you think, guys? You need to take anti-malaria prophylaxis. Magsulod ka mo sa Kruger Park kag sa mga high-risk areas sang malaria. Hindi ka na makadonate blood ka, no? Kung may malaria ka. See? You need to avoid wearing dark colors, black, red, navy blue. Kaya attracted ang mga mosquitoes sa amo ng colors. Amo nambal nila, so I need to wear this color para madlock sa leopard. Tanigali nag-wear ko something, yes ang lizard color, di ba la? Kaon sang lizard ang mga mosquitoes kag other insects. They are attracted to the blood type O. Pero kami blood type B. Pero nga ada mo agad si Mikmik.
Kaya comment na ako.
Please.
Tapos
No! Ay, no.
yan ang salong ko to siya.
Oh, putan sa babaw.
Huh?
Ala!
Pit siya.
Ay. Sige na lang.
I'm really sorry.
Sorry. Oh my gosh, tamo na napatay ang balko. Cockroach lang. Hindi na kami yan nagpatayan, no? So now we are driving towards God's Window. I don't know why it's called God's Window. We'll see. Do you know that?
No.
So we'll see. And it takes 1.5 hour driving towards God's Window. Damo di mga ano ni doorbell. Yan na sa Hi guys, you're here now in Mpumalanga. We're going to see the Blyde River Canyon. We're going up. And we are entering God's Window. Yeah, please make sure all your car windows and doors are properly closed. We did that. So which way? This way, I think. Okay. It's cool, pero it's too hot. Thank you to my sponsor, the Buenos, for this hat. Actually, it's a Christmas gift. Mr. Fab. The ring. Ga! Ga! What's going on, Lord? Okay. There he is. Bees and butterflies are everywhere. Where am I? Go this way. My God! Am I near to heaven? What a view! God, my God! May falls dira. Nagakurog akong tiil. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, abi ko man. Where's that sound coming from? Ay, falls. Okay. Be brave, Christine, be brave. Wow. Somewhere in my falls there, no? The birds and the trees. I don't think this. Ay! Butterfly. It's a mast. Another na naman nga, it's a mast, no? Magkadto ka mo diri sa South Africa, Drakensberg side. It's a mast nga ma-visit ka mo diri sa God's window. Really God's window. You really feel like you're near to heaven, next to heaven. Okay? So, damo na sa bungsang tao. We're going to keep going. So, say hi. Hello. Friendship, mga thunderbirds. Don't know what they're talking about. I hope free of coronavirus. And over that side, there are tents. I love this place. There's so much South Africa has to offer.
Tout le long, il y en avait tout le long. Tu veux aller voir sur... Bon, de toute façon, on va pour voir mieux de plus. On voit la profondeur. Ah, on voit la profondeur.
May lagyan, madagaling nga. Naglibot-bit kami. Oh well. Feel the nature. We're going to the opposite direction. Tawa guys. Oh my god. Very nice. Is this strong? Can you see the bottom? Where's my partner? Ga? Okay. There he is. Where are you? Hi. Wave that wave. See? Thank you, Lord, for bringing us here. Okay, guys, so this is God's window. Look at that. God's window. So breathtaking. Look at that. Seems that really you are at the top of the world, that you're near to God, to heaven. I can stay here the whole day, the whole week. Very relaxing. This is one of the things that we need to be thankful to Him. God's great. This is the best place to do your reflection. Just like me. Sorry for my sins, Lord. And I'm saying sorry for the sins of others as well. Yeah? Okay. I'm going to bring him to the rainforest. Okay, wala siya nakasaka. Oops. We have friends here.
Alors, on va voir la vue, pardon. Oui, oui, exact.
Para doon na yung view, pero Islamic yan. The other one. Are you asking me? Let me see. 10:30. Okay, so this is exercise. Nagapalpitate na ako. Whew. Drone's not per... Oh, wow! Look at that. Kaya to ganit nilaga. Kaya tama na. Another challenge. Ah! Kapoy guro magsaka.
On est dans la mouille jusqu'au cou.
Carry ko na eh. Another the ring. Last one. Wow. It's all clouds. Okay, it's covered with this one. Okay. Dali na naman kaming away. Mr. Fab? Happy? We're going back to Kruger Park. Okay, so so cool in here. It's best nga magkadto ka mo diri if you come and visit God's Window early in the morning para hindi damo sa mga tao. Excuse me. Oh, what's in here? Okay. We're going down to earth. I think it's more cooler here, so... Rainforest. Okay, ready to go back to Kruger National Park. But before that, we need to have our lunch. That's Paul. Sorry. That's the first time. I need to take my fexofenadine. Okay, so now walking back to our car. Ito yung mga flowers nila. No wonder why nga foggy sa dalong, di ba? Again, takay na. Kay gali diri sa babaw. It's cloudy. So beautiful. Very beautiful. We're going home now. We wanted to buy some souvenirs. Namin diri. Where's our car? Is that it? See? can't even remember. Talaga, may smash na out. Hindi niya ton. May glass sa likod. Hindi natin na. Okay. Okay.